Hi, today I'm going to show you how to start filling out this fill-in-the-blank fingering chart for the bass clef BC baritone or euphonium. So this is Unit A, and if you're doing this as a digital assignment, you will simply follow what I am showing you. If you are doing this as a pencil and paper assignment, you will have lines instead of text boxes to put your note names in, and then you will color in the appropriate circles to show which valves you press to make that note happen. So let's get started. We are in the bass clef, and our first note is on the second line, and so it is a B flat. And the second line is the B line. I know it's a flat because there is a flat sign preceding the note, but when we write it down, we write it the way we say it, B flat. So in typing it, I just put a lowercase b for the flat sign. If I'm drawing it, I would draw a straight line and then half of a heart. And the B flat is open on bass clef baritone, so you don't press any valves down. But if you did, the first valve is the first circle, the second valve is the middle circle, the third valve is the last circle. And this happens to be a four valve baritone. We're not even going to worry about that right now. Okay, so our next note is the next space up. We go in alphabetical order, so after B comes C, and the second space in the bass clef is a C. So I'm going to color in the first valve and the third valve, the two circles on either end, and I would press first valve or third valve to make that note. So that is your C. Next, we go in order. We're on the third line of the bass clef. The next letter is D. D follows C. And the D, I am going to press the first two valves, 1 and 2, at the same time. So I'm going to color in the first circle and the second circle. Next, I have the third space, E, and it's a flat, so I'm going to add in the flat sign, and then I just color in that first circle because I pressed the first valve, which is the one closest to the mouthpiece, to play the E flat. And finally, for number 5, we have an F, so I'm going to put in a capital F. And just like the B flat, we don't press any valves to make that happen. So this is just to get you started. I did the first 5. You will be responsible for completing the rest of the worksheet, and it's all the same 5 notes, just in a different order. So make sure you use the first line to help you figure out the rest. So I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.